Hi friends, so now today I discuss rate of doing work. Means what is the rate of doing work? So first I say, do all of us work at the same rate? Do machine consume or transfer energy at the same rate? If you say in daily life a stronger person which are healthier person may do certain work in relatively less time, if any less time, and if I take a weaker person, then those person or this person take more time in comparison to stronger person. In comparison to stronger person, this is stronger and this is weaker person. So this person take less time to do a same work and this person take more time to do the same work. So I can say rate of doing work is called power. It's called power, or I can say power measure the speed of work done. Power measure the speed of work done. Power measure the speed of work done. So in the definition form, power is defined as rate of doing work, or rate of transfer of energy. Rate of transfer of energy. So by power I defined or I compare the rate of work. Now if an agent or a man doing a work W in time t, then power is equal to work upon time, or we can say power which is represented by P is equal to W by T. So this is the formula of power. Now if I talk about unit, then unit of power is watt, which is named as in honor of a scientist, James Watt. James Watt. And if I find unit by formula, then unit of work is joule and time is second. So joule per second is another unit of power. Another unit of power. And 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second. So joule per second and watt is at same unit in numeric. And some higher unit used to measure power like at 1 kilowatt, which is equal to 1000 watts, 1 megawatt, which is equal to 10 to the power 6 watt, or joule per second. So this is the bigger unit of power. Now I also use power in commercial light or commercial unit of energy. So let's define commercial unit of energy in next page. Now commercial unit of energy. In every house the electricity is used, and if anyone see the electricity bill, then the electricity bill and electricity unit in terms of 2 kilowatt per hour, 3 kilowatt per hour. So the kilowatt per hour is unit used, kilowatt hour is used in very similar manner and very easy. So I can say commercial unit of energy is expressed in kilowatt hour. It's not a kilowatt hour. It's just kilowatt hour. Generally kilowatt hour, 3 kilowatt hour. So the commercial unit of energy is expressed in kilowatt hour. And 1 kilowatt hour, it means 1000 joule of energy. 1000 joule of energy used in every second. Used in every second. And machine and any appliance and machine is used continuously, for 1 hour. Then the consumed energy is 1 kilowatt hour. Then the consumed energy is 1 kilowatt hour. So this is the unit of commercial unit of energy. And if I change 1 kilowatt hour in joule, then 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt, and 1 hour means 3600 second. 3600 second. 3600 second. Then watt is also known as joule. So this is as 5 times 0, if I multiply joule second. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So this is the conversion of kilowatt hour in joule. So if you say your monthly electricity bill, then energy used in a month, like as 470 units, 348 units, then here 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour. So now you understand what is commercial unit of energy and what is power. Now let's take an example. Now I take an example. A boy of mass 50 kg runs up a staircase of 45 steps in 9 seconds. So if I form steps, this is 45 steps. in 9 seconds, if the height of each step is 15 centimeter, then find the power. And if y is like this y is up. So the force is equal to the weight of y. So this is equal to weight, mass is 50 and g is 500 Newton. So the weight of the boy which is treated as a force is equal to 500 Newton. Total height is equal to number of steps into each step height, which is equal to number of steps is 45 into each step height is 15 centimeter. So change in meter. So this is equal to 6.75 meter. Now the power is work done upon time, and work done is equal to mgh upon t. The mg is 500 into 6.75 by 9 seconds. Time is given 9 seconds. So the answer is 375 joule per second or watt. So I hope you understand this example of power. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning. Thanks to watching this video.